Hello children, how are you? I hope fine and you're waiting for this revision. Yes. Here is half-yearly revision of your lesson, the food we eat. It means we are doing the sheet number 2 now. Okay, we have already covered the sheet number 1 and that was the universe and the earth. Now we are doing the sheet number 2. So now let's start our revision. Number 1, fill in the blanks. Air, water and food are essential for life. Yes children, we all know that air, water and food are essential for life. We cannot live without air. We cannot live without water. Of course, without food we cannot live for a single day also. Yes. Number 2, there is variety of food items in a country. Yes children, there is variety of food items in a country. Why? Because India is a vast country and it has variety of climate, and secondly it has variety of soils, and as a result when we have variety of soils the different kinds of foods are produced in India. Yes, you can find like oranges in Nagpur, or you can find apple in mountain soil, or you can find cotton in where? In the black soil. In this way, and for the planting of rice plants we need a lot of water. So every state, every country, India is a vast country. So as a result we get the variety of food items in our country. Number 3, rice and wheat are the staple food of India, or you can say rice and wheat are most important staple foods of India. Yes, rice and wheat are the staple foods of India, because if you talk about rice, everyone in country they eat rice. Whether you take the eastern part or you take the southern part of India, everyone eat the rice. And wheat, definitely we eat puris, parathas, everything. So that is a staple food. Number 4, rice is grown in hot areas. Now let us see where the rice is grown. Rice is grown in hot areas. Yes. And what are those areas or the states? It is basically it is eaten in where? It is eaten in West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. But where it is grown? It is grown in the eastern and the southern part of India. Yes, and therefore it is being said as number 6. It is grown mainly in eastern and southern part of India. But what kind of temperature is required? It requires a high temperature. That is why it is said rice is grown in hot areas. Number 7, rice and fish are the main items in the food coastal areas. Okay, yes, rice and fish are the main items of food in the coastal areas. Coastal areas, you all know that we have the coastal areas. We have Arabian Sea in the west, we have Bay of Bengal in the east. So these are the coastal areas. So people living here in the coastal areas, they prefer the item, their main food item is rice and fish. That is why it is said they prefer more seafoods rather than the wheat and other. Yes. Number 8, people who do not eat fish or meat are called vegetarians. Yes children, many of us are vegetarians and some are non-vegetarians. So people who do not eat meat, fish, they are called as vegetarians, and they totally depends on the green vegetables and fruits. Okay, in the similar way, a people who eat, or we can say a non-vegetarian is one who takes meat. Yes, that means non-vegetarians, they eat green vegetables also, but side by side they also takes meat, fish, all the flesh of other animals. Clear? Now, number 10, spice make the food tasty. Yes children, but before talking about spice and all, let me talk something more about our wheat. When we talk about vegetarian, people, children, you know that we people of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and this wheat is a crop. When it is grown, it is a winter crop. Yes, and which states? It is in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat, and Rajasthan. And you know, Punjab is the leading production of what? Wheat in India. And then we have jowar. Jowar is the third most crop, and it is commonly grown in Maharashtra. Yes, or we can say Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar. Okay, and if we talk about bajra, yes, in winter season you must always, mama must be preparing some bajra chapatis with using some that spicy, yes, chutney and all that. It is eaten in Rajasthan, yes, because Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra, children. And then we have ragi. What is ragi? It is the food of the people of Karnataka. Yes, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand, and Arunachal Pradesh. Then, of course, let's talk about maize and where it is grown. It is grown in Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Andhra Pradesh. So these are the states where the maize is being grown. Now let us talk about some pulses. That is your dal. Yes, we should always eat a one bowl of pulse daily. You know, it's a protein. Children, I always love to take one bowl daily because it is full of protein, and protein helps us to grow, especially the children. So you should take it. Now, let us see the major pulses. Major pulses are moong, urad, gram, and arhar, because these pulses are the major sources of what? Proteins. So this is something about your wheat crops as well as about your pulses. Now let us come to point number 10, that is spice make the food tasty. Yes, spice make the food tasty, and the different spices are, what are the different spices? Chilies, cloves, turmeric, and coriander. And which is called, which fruit is called as the king of fruit? It is mango. We all love. Yeah, even I love mango very much, children. We all love mango a lot. So mango is called the king of fruit. Number 13. All seeds are edible seeds used in cooking. Yes, we have the different edible seeds. What are those different main oil seeds are? They are groundnut, mustard, soya bean, sunflower, etc. These are the main oil seeds which we use in our food. Some, if you just today you can check and ask your mama, you cook food in which kind of oil, whether it is groundnut or mustard or soya bean or sunflower. Okay, so now number 15 is your food is transported from one state to another. Yes, as I told you, from Nagpur oranges comes to Uttar Pradesh. Yes, so food is transported. Apples come from mountain. Yes, Jammu Kashmir and all, your dry fruits, okay, from the mountain areas. So food is transported from one state to another. Transported means it is transportation by the help of different means of transport. Number 16. Cucumber has 90% of water. Yes, as you all know that cucumber, we love to eat cucumber, and cucumber has 90% of water in it. Now let us talk about some, name them. Number 1, two kind of pulses. Yes, two kind of pulses are arhar, moong. If you know anything else, you can write that also. Number 2, two milk products. You love milk products, you love cheese. Yeah, boys. Eating pizza. You love all this, na? Yes. Curd. Every child loves to eat curd. Milk. You people drink milk. Drink one milk of glass daily. Then we have number 3. It is known as the Spice Garden of India. Which state of India? It is Kerala, known as the Spice Garden of India. Or we can say Kerala is known as the Spice Garden of India. Number 4. A large amount of something, that is abundance. Means many. When we have lot of things. Yes. Number 5. Two famous dishes of Maharashtra. It is vada pav and pav bhaji. And with this lovely tasty pav bhaji and vada pav, I end my revision sheet, and that's the time to say goodbye and revise your revision sheet too. Goodbye.